In here we will braise the seawhelk with the Chinese style. We use 2 chili sauce. One is chili bean sauce and the other one is guilin style chili sauce. Now we will make the sauce. We use 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and then 1 teaspoon sugar, and then we will add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and later we will mix it and add some water and also the sesame oil. We mix it and later we add some water. Now we will start to cook. On the first, we add the shallot, some garlic, and later after this, we will add the ginger, onion, and also the spring onion. And now we add the 2 kinds of chili. Each kind of chili we add 2 teaspoons. Or also if you like it spicy, you can add more. When we add the chili, we change the fire into the small fire. After cook for a while, we put inside the seawhelk and then we mix it with the chili sauce. And now we add the sauce that we already mixed. We put all the sauce inside, and then we add some water, about 2 bowl, the small bowl of water. And after this, we mix it, and later we add some spring onion, and then we will cover it and braise for about 10 minutes. Now we already finished braised the seawhelk in Chinese style, and now we will serve it. It looks so delicious. If you like it spicy, you can add more the chili sauce. Okay, this is all. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like and share, and also if you like to comment.